Can you introduce yourself, Mr. Hanik?
I'm Hanik. I'm from the UK.
I'm from Japan.
Hi there, my name is Sebastian. I'm from Vancouver, Canada.
I'm from the United States.
Andrew, all the way from Australia. Mr. Andrew has been here to do smart FUE hair transplant.
That's correct.
To do the hair transplant.
Traveled to Malaysia for treatment for hair transplant.
Keep up the good work.
Thank you, GLOJAS. You are wonderful. I appreciate you.
So I would definitely recommend GLOJAS Clinic for hair restoration.